Hi, good morning. So today is our second day here sa Port Barton. So today ay magkakaroon kami ng island hopping. Pero bago yan, kain muna kami. So susunduin kami around 9 o'clock daw. And then mag-island hopping na kami. So dumating kami kahapon dito ng around 1 p.m. And nag-lunch lang kami and nagpahinga. Kinda tired sa biyahe. So, konti lang yung na-explore namin kahapon. I hope we will have a fine weather today. Oops! Sana hindi maulan at hindi maalon. Hi! So, we are just waiting sa boat na sasakyan namin. Mag-island hopping kami. Nandito na kami sa dagat. Ayan, ang view ngayon. Off-season na ngayon kasi June na and nagbalik eskwela na ang mga bata. So, hindi na ganun karami yung turista as of now. So, let's see mamaya sa mga destination kung gaano karaming people ang naroon. See ya! Okay, so this is our first stop. It's called Starfish Island. Basically, may mga starfish siya. Kaya siya tinawag na Starfish Island. Isang maliit na sandbar lang siya na lumilitaw kapag low tide. Ayan. As you could see, sobrang linaw ng water. Really. So, first stop pa lang namin ito. And we will stay for 20 minutes daw before moving to another island. Okay. Yeah. So nice. Okay, so this is our second stop. So yun si Johnny at si daddy niya. We're finished. I got tired already, but there's plenty of corals here. Really, really. Wala lang ako underwater camera, but it's full of corals. Ay, yung itsura ng corals dito ay mukhang cabbage. Ayan. Kanina maraming mga boat dito. Ngayon, ilan na lang kami.
So welcome to the Maxima Island. So we're gonna stay like 2 hours there because 40 minutes or 50 minutes to.
So we are here right now sa Maxima Island. Dito kami magla-lunch. Yeah, nauna kaming dumating and may parating na naman na boat. And may parating. Okay, mabuti na una tayo. Yes, the view is so nice. Okay, so right now ay nag-stop kami sa Maxima Island and ang aming boatman ay naghahanda ng pagkain kasama ng kanyang mga crew. Ayan yung boat namin. Ayan. So nagpe-prepare sila ng pagkain. Mayroon din ibang mga boat na nandito. Ayan. Usually dito ang stopover for lunch ng mga island hoppers. Guys, tingnan nyo. Pag nandito kayo, the sand is really, really fine. As in, pinong-pino yung buhangin. Tapos, ang puti niya. Tapos, yung dagat, it's very clear. As in, crystal clear. Ayan o, diba? Oh, ganda-ganda. And look at the view. Oh, very nice. Okay, let's walk a bit while waiting for the lunch to be done. Ayan. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 na bangka. Yun nandito ngayon. But usually, kung tourist season, which is tapos na, is puno itong island na to. Kasi dito nagsastop over for lunch. Kasama namin sa boat is mostly European. 4 lang kami na Pinoy. Tapos galing sila sa iba't ibang countries. Yung merong taga Belgium daw. Tapos Spain. And yung isa is okay, from I think Australia. Yung isa yun. What's that alarm? Is that alarm for food? So, mamaya, bale, third island na pala namin to na napuntahan. So, there are 3 more after lunch. It's really nice. For the island tour, 1,500 ang bayad pag sharing. Tapos, pwede rin, kung gusto nyo na kayo lang, is I think that would be 6,000. Aarkelahan ang boat. So, kayo-kayo lang yun. And, meron din silang tour package A and tour package B. Sa amin is tour package A. Since may mga kids kaming kasama, yun ang pinili namin. I think yung mga kasama namin, yun din yung pinili nila. So, sama-sama kami. Yes. There's Johnny having fun. Ayan siya. Ba't ang dilim niya? Ayan. Tapos si Kayla, ayun, enjoying. Ayan. Ang bango, guys. Ang bango ng ulam. Oh, may pa ganyan pa.
We gotta check it.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so we just finished our lunch and we are just waiting para pumunta sa aming next stop. So habang nag-aantay, nag-chill muna yung iba. Nandoon, bumalik sila sa dagat para mag-swimming. Actually, parang inaantok na ako. Kasi siguro dahil katatapos lang namin kumain. So, third island na ito. We have 3 more to go. And it's, anong oras na ba? Okay, 1 o'clock. Saktong 1 o'clock. Okay, so we'll go to the next stop. Hi, so we are on our 5th stop. And ito ay tinatawag nilang Paradise Island. Ang buhangin dito ay napakapino. And there's a cute piggy. Okay. This is our inland cat. Natuwang-tuwa ang mga turista, lalo na ang mga foreign. Kasi ang cute-cute niya. So, pang-5 na namin itong stop. And we will stay here for 40 minutes and then after this, the final. So right now, it's 2 in the afternoon. The island is really cute. It's nice. Okay, I want to describe the sand here. Sana. Kaso lang, I'm not sure if the exposure is nice. Ito, as you could see, ito, it's really powdery. Tapos pinong-pino siya. That's how nice it is.